Okay, so super excited. I am back here at Webb The Landings over in St. Johns County, Florida. And you've seen my drone tour probably about 4 months ago. Well, right now I'm doing an updated drone tour because a lot of you that have purchased homes there that are waiting are like, hey, what's going on? What's going on? So I'm actually in front of the new amenity center, which is for the community next door called The Landings, right? And for the Webb people, if they have children, because you know, we don't like kids. No, we like kids. We just don't like other people's OPs. I have 6 grandkids and I definitely don't want them, you know, running around, fighting, crying in front of all my friends while I'm trying to relax. So right here, I'm gonna give you a updated tour. Oh, by the way, I am Gail DeMarco and I am so happy that you found me on my channel. If you've been here before, well, you know what you're in for. And if you haven't, I do appreciate it. If you like it, please subscribe and I'll send you $100. No, I will not send you $100, but I would love you to subscribe. So let's go take a look. And if you have any questions, just text me, call me, 904-640-8000. If you stick around to the end, I'm gonna tell you about a promo I'm doing right now, which could pay for all your travel. So let's go take a look. So again, on the left is the amenity center where you could come with your kiddos, grandkids, and straight in front of me is a play park, which seriously, they put up like overnight. I was here about a week and a half ago and I was just blown away how quick they were installing all of this. To the right is the Greenbrier Landings. I'm going to be doing a video on that one as well. And that one is not the over 55, but it butts right up to the Webb over 55 community. And we're going to go take a look and see what has changed in the last 4 months, because last time I did my drone tour, I think we had under 40 homes sold. And I believe we're close to 70 right now. The amenity center is starting to look like an amenity center. I cannot wait to meet their bartender. Now that's the difference. Everyone wants to know what is the big difference between like a water song and a Webb. Well, Webb is kind of like living on a cruise ship, right? You have like crazy amenities where they have full-time restaurant, full-time bartender, and just like Water Song or Toll Brothers, it's a gated community. Toll Brothers, the one I just featured, the Regency, they do not have a bar, they don't have a restaurant. And for me, like, you know, I come home, I would love to just be able to take my little golf cart and go have a cocktail and go grab something. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, by the way, they're opening a brand new model called the Renown, and that's opening on the 21st. So I'm gonna sleep there on the 20th and be the first one to show it to you. Okay, it is a resort amenity center. Oh, guess what? I didn't even tell you. They're running a crazy, crazy special right now, just like when they first opened up the Spring Fling. So if you spent up to $150,000 or $75,000, right? Say you spent $150,000, you can get 50% off, including, you know, if you wanted a Wolf stove or Sub-Zero, or you wanted a structural, you know, you wanted to add on some structural upgrades. So they're doing a huge, no more, you know, free lot of the week. Right now they're doing up to 50% off. So I was just telling my buddy, I said, you know what, I wish I could convince my husband, maybe if he goes on a big fishing trip, I could just put our house on the market and then I could buy a house here. I could get all the upgrades I could want and I would be very, very happy here. Okay, so let's, as you can see, a lot of these lots are being built on now. Oh yeah, we have some great lot deals right now. Well, I'm not gonna call it a deal because they're about $100,000, but there's lot 115, lot 123, which is like a pie shape. And let's see, let me just take a quick, lot 106, which is the long view of the water. And lot 91 I really like this elevation right here. This is super pretty. And you can see, here's the back end of the amenity center right there. And that would be lot 164 and 163. Okay, so just for reference, I'm on Spring Line. Well, I just came off a prop wash court and I'm on Spring Line right now. And you've seen all the virtual renditions of what the amenity center is going to look like. And now you can see it in real time. They are working away. This is super exciting. I don't want to pull in because there's tractors. But just to kind of give you an idea, and on the left here, we have the beautiful dog park. That's already up. So if you want to come here, sit, they also have the mailboxes here on the left. On the right is our amenity center. So I love the fact that they've saved a lot of these big oak trees. It's funny, I was just in a Drees community and the neighbors were screaming because the builder took down quite a few of the big oak trees and they just didn't care about the fine. They just wanted to build another house. I think that sucks. Okay, so now we are on Headstream. Okay, so it looks like they've got a couple lots, lot 27. Now, I wouldn't like lot 27 because you can see the house is behind you and that's the landings. Now they have lot 95. Oh good, I'm gonna show you a lot that is something everybody wants. Ooh, this one right here, lot 91, right next to the big oak tree. And lot 91 is about 103,000. And you are right on the water. You can see the amenity center. Oh my gosh, big old crows. So we got lot 90 just got sold. Lot 88, 87, lot, I actually kind of I like lot 86. I'm gonna make a U-turn here. So this is Rudder Cut, nothing happening down there. I'm gonna get back on Headstream. Hold on, I got a car behind me. Again, I would love to have a lot right here next to the oak tree. I'm telling you guys, lot 91 is a winner. And you know, they don't have any QMIs right now. They have no quick move-ins. They sold them all out. They were only doing build to suit. And again, here in Del Webb, you're not gonna have any villas or townhomes or any connected. They just really wanted to be more of an active community. Not that they're, I mean, their avatar for a client is the young 65. Okay, so all these right here, lot 22, 21, 20, 19, you will be seeing the other houses behind you. And since it's not an over 55 community, keep in mind, you could be seeing a lot of their kids, right? You could be hearing, unless you're hard of hearing. Oh, let me go here. I want to show you the house I just sold and closed on. So this is Seaplane. The reason every street has an aviation theme to it, this used to be a practice field. They used to come in here, do a lot of practicing, dropping, not bombs, but dropping things with airplanes landing. So right here on the right is a house I just closed on. Oh my gosh, they have so many packages they just got delivered. Yikes. If I had my key, I'd bring it inside. I do have a key to that house. Somebody's gonna be busy. They just had a ton of FedEx delivery there. That was my favorite house. It's called the Aventura. I had a beautiful couple just closing that 2 weeks ago. Okay, so lot number 12 and 11 is good because you're not going to see a house behind you. And also lot number 10 and 9 would be good choices. All right, on the right-hand side is a lift station. And I'm gonna tell you, every single one of them smell occasionally. So if you think they don't, you are wrong. I have one in every neighborhood and always. So lot 4 and 3 have been sold. This quick moving has just been sold. So that gives you a really good idea of what's been happening. What is it this month right now? I am in March of 2026. And I just kind of wanted to give you an update on the Del Webb community here at the Landings in St. John's, Florida. I'm excited about this community, really excited. They'll probably top out maybe around 800 homes, probably be here for another 4 years plus building. So like I said, if you stuck around, I'm gonna tell you my fly, drive, and buy program. If you decide to use me, I specialize in over 55, then I will absolutely reimburse you up to $2,500 in your travel expense. Just give me the receipts for your airplane, rental cars, hotel, even your food. Go to Capital Grill on me, give it to me, and after close of escrow, I will reimburse you for your travel expenses. And right now, Del Webb is giving up to $150,000 in upgrades to the design center, structural upgrades. Like I said, you could buy a Wolf stove, which is what I have because my husband is a chef. And I just like red knobs. And Sub-Zero if you wanted. You can get 50% off. So imagine spending $150,000 in upgrades and you get $75,000 off. Or spend $80,000 in upgrades and spend, get $40,000 off. This is the time to buy. 904-640-8000. Thanks for sticking around.